Alright guys, we're out for a bash today. We got Joey's down there, Joel's there, Scott's down there. All the boys are out here. It's sopping wet from the rain, but we're gonna have a good time here, so. Nice. Is the steering better this time? Yeah. Ah. 8S Outcast, yeah. She's a heavy girl.
That's the MT. No,
that's Creighton.
I'm still waiting for all the metal parts for my video.
Yeah.
I was just stripping pinion after pinion and it was disappointing.
Yeah, enough was enough. Yeah, they're right there.
I think I'm about to put better tires.
That's so awesome. Oh! Nosedive! Oh! There she went. Outcast down. That was a hard landing. She's just so big and needs all kinds of room to get that rotation around. That thing's just so heavy, it's hard to get it rotating in the air. That drone was close.
Yeah, it was.
Your mom's not gonna be happy about that.
How would I clean it? There's nothing on my body that's not wet. There.
Hey Joel, check him out. He got too close, drove the car through the water. Hey Noah, you get to ride in the back of the truck.
Under the ramp.
Hey God, you got a thing stuck in there.
Look at that.
You're already dirty, you pull it out of there.
Oh my God.
He's a spinner. Double. Move your Creighton over, Noah.
Nice job.
He's getting better and better.
No doubt. That's good driving, buddy. Helps with that big ramp, nice slide.
Yeah. Yeah, he's nailing it.
We got out of the way.
I'll check this out, Noah.
Oh, helicopter! Wait. Whoa. Make the drone track that tiny thing.
Yeah, right.
How fast is that?
Looks pretty quick.
It's going pretty quick.
Yeah.
This is slow-mo.
Can you do like inverted flight and all that good stuff with it, or?
Yeah, it's all on safe mode right now because I'm scared to take it off.
Right on.
It levels.
I don't know how them guys do that crazy stuff they do.
I've watched videos. There's no way I can get close to that anytime.
That thing's as agile as those drones are. Thank you. All right, guys, I want to give a quick shout out to Cameron and Whitney. Cameron's wife Whitney makes these covers for the Mojave. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can pick these things up. But they seem real nice. She did a heck of a job making them. Good way to keep your electronics clean. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick these things up. So. I think it's so cool.
So quiet.
One of these days, I'm gonna see if he'll let me put the beacon on it and have the Skydio track it.
Oh, that'd be wild.
Yeah. Yeah, I just uploaded a video today of the beacon on Paul's FPV quad. We were here last night.
I'm surprised the bike can win like you.
Oh! Was that a little bump there in the air?
Yeah, it's catching pocket. I was wondering why it's taking a little bit. It's on safe mode right now here. Now it'll actually turn over. Oh, wow. When it's windy, man, it gets oh, Eli.
It's definitely windy. Yeah, we'll shut it off there.
And it runs 150.
Send out the flares. You got 2 bogeys on your tail.
Behind ya.
I don't think Noah's going to drive this Losi Mini. He's welcome to tear it around if he wants.
Oh,
The little mini one.
no throttle, nothing. That's hilarious. It's just floating. The flaps are eating that wind up.
You didn't know it was a drone also. It had hover. That was pretty cool. Yeah, what happens when the battery dies when it's there fighting the wind?
Right, that's when the flaps got to
You go for a walk.
I'm gonna bring him down, see how.
Oh!
I missed it. I missed it. I'm gonna bring him down, see how.
Oh!
I missed it. I missed it.
How bad is it?
She's pretty tough.
Yeah?
I mean, it's fixable. It didn't get none of the wings. Not only did it go in like this, but it dropped like that.
Ah. Was it dead nose right into that pole, or?
Yeah, all these is a motor mount. I mean, the motor's even good. They don't need all that. That's the prop motor. Yeah, because this is front cow.
It's fixable. Good.
Yeah, I think so.
That wind's unpredictable.
Well, it's just, I can't judge where shit's at.
Yeah, it's hard to, sure, yeah. You're not like the guys that are flying the FPV drones that are seeing right where what it's seeing.
Right, you can see everything.
Yeah.
Bring your stuff down here, charge.
Oh, I still got some batteries.
Grab plenty out.
Noah's being a fuddy dud. Heck yeah. That's the setup right here.
Yeah.
I'll bring that Creighton battery over here. Will it do 6S?
Yes.
Oh, you got it fixed already?
Oh yeah.
There it is.
Damn, it's charging at 6 amps too.
What milliamp hours your battery?
6,000.
Is it just one C charge?
Yeah. I mean, it might be 2, but that's what I charge it at.
Alright.
I'm just saying for mobile, that's a pretty powerful
Yeah.
generator. That's awesome.
That's on low idle too.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. The Ninja Turtle down there.
For your Creighton.
Which way do you think that wind's blowing? That way?
That's what it feels like to me. Noah brought his drone.
Oh, sweet.
First time flying it. I told him to come out here and get with you guys to make sure he's not on the same
Oh yeah.
channels, or you know what I mean.
What kind of drone is
The little Gep RC.
Oh, that's right. You got RC.
Yeah, the Tiny Hawk went swimming with the fishes.
it? I remember I had a tiny boat, and I think I crashed it in like a pan of oil.
Yeah. Did you bring the controller down?
That's 6S, right?
Yeah.
That thing moves.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
It could be 8S. if it-
Can it?
Yeah. This
So
one,
what channel you want to know?
this one comes as a roller, so you put your own electronics.
Gotcha.
So the electronics that's in that big, huge red one down there, that big Outcast,
Yep.
I put that in this.
Really?
I broke the bumper the other day.
It's hard, man.
Yeah.
Look, I'm already 4 toys down. I threw the orange plane into the wind like I knew I shouldn't, and it went bam.
Well, here, take this one for a spin.
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to help Noah with this drone.
Oh, that's cool. That looks like a
It's windy too, Noah, so be careful.
The wind will blow that thing around.
I think that's one of what you guys use on your little,
Should he start line of sight first, or just go straight to?
Because it's so hard to
Yeah.
Terrible.
do. Only because we can't do it. I would love to try it.
It was early when we were flying, and we had this fast line of sight drone. The first day I got it, I rammed it into the sign and broke the arm off.
I think I can't find it. 5.8 gigahertz.
You not gonna do it, Noah? Not working? That's one way to do it. Talk about a Ninja Turtle. I ain't never seen a Mojave spin that fast.
Oh my god. There's only 4S in there.
Yeah.
I put 4S in for the little guy.
That's one way to do it. This cover's done a great job of protecting it. Like I said, this is Cameron and Whitney made this, so I'll leave a link to where you can pick this thing up in the description. So definitely protects the electronics, keeps everything nice and dry and clean in there.